With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, here our question is symbol have their usual meanings, match column 1 with column 2, right? Here is the column 1 and this is the column 2. We have to match this column 1 that different conditions are given and we have to match with the graphs. Okay, and the first is given that is string slope versus time. String slope means here is our equation given that is y, this is y and this is y equal to a sine of kx plus omega t. Okay, this is t, not x, right? Similarly, here it is given instantaneous velocity of the particle versus time at x equal to 0 for y equal to a sine omega, and this is kx minus the omega t, right? Displacement of the particle versus time at x equal to 0 for s equal to s naught sine of omega t minus k into x, and d is given here the displacement of particle versus time t at x equal to 0 for p equal to p naught into cos of kx minus omega t, where p represent the pressure variation, right? So first we have to solve that is string slope versus time. Okay, what is the slope? We know that slope is that is dy divided by dx equal to slope. So if we differentiate this y with respect to x, so what we are getting, that is a into this constant will come outside of cos of kx plus omega t. This is our expression for, and we are getting that is a cos curve. Okay, if we draw the graph with respect to time and this is slope, so we are getting this is cosine curve, and here our option for the cosine curve is this one. So a will match with r, right? Now b is saying that instantaneous velocity of the particle versus time. Okay, what will be the instantaneous velocity? This is y, and if we are going to find the velocity, then we are going to differentiate with respect to time. So what we are getting, that is a into minus of omega cos of omega, that is kx minus omega t, ax minus omega t. This is the expression for velocity and time. Okay, and x equal to 0, what will be the expression that is at x equal to 0? This is the minus of a omega cos of omega t, because cos of minus theta is basically cos theta. Okay, so we are getting a negative of cosine, so this will match with our, this is the negative function of cosine. Okay, so this will match with s. Now d is saying displacement of particle versus time, and equation is given s equal to s naught, that is sine of omega t minus kx. So here it is basically, this is our displacement. Okay, but at x equal to 0, what will be this equation, that is the s equal to s naught of sine of omega t at x equal to 0. So if you draw the displacement versus this time graph, so this is basically a sine curve. Okay, and positive sine curve, so our c will match with, that is p, right? Now in the d it is given that is displacement of particle versus time t, displacement of particle versus time t. Okay, at x equal to 0 and for p equal to p naught cos of omega x minus omega t, where p represent the pressure variation. Okay, here p is representing the pressure variation, and we know that here this is given displacement of particle versus time, and pressure is given here, pressure variation. Okay, now let me find first the pressure variation. What is the expression is that pressure, we can represent it at del p also. Here it is given, there is p, and its representation is negative of bulk modulus, okay, into dy divided by dx. Okay, this is the expression, and here the pressure variation that is given p naught into cos of kx minus omega t equal to dy divided by dx, right? Now we have to find the y. Okay, so from here what will be the y? Dy equal to this is, sorry, this is, we have missed negative of bulk modulus. dy equal to, this is minus p naught by beta of the bulk modulus into cos of kx minus omega t into dx, right? Now integrating both sides, what we are getting, that is integrating both sides from 0 to y displacement, and this is from 0 to, let us take x. So what will happen, that is integration will be y equal to negative of p naught divided by bulk modulus into integration of cos is, that is sine, positive of sine into x minus omega t, and here in the denominator it will be k, right? So displacement and this time is coming under this negative sine curve, right? Negative sine curve. So we can take this is our negative sine curve, because sine curve is this one, positive one, and this is the negative one, right? So this is our right option Q. Okay, we have almost matched all the column 1 and column 2. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.